Step 1. Pre-cleaning of the concrete surface. Ensure the surface has sufficient slope. In our case, the roof is already inclined. Step 2. Application of bituminous waterproofing primer to seal surface pores and dust, enhance adhesion between the concrete substrate and the waterproofing membrane, and ensure uniform bonding during torch application. Step 3. Dismantling removal of the plastic release layer in hot environment. Step 4. Application of 4 mm modified bitumen waterproofing membrane. Installation of a 4 mm thick, torch applied, reinforced modified bitumen membrane to provide a durable and watertight waterproofing layer over the roof slab. The membrane resists water penetration, accommodates minor structural movement, and forms a reliable base layer beneath the green roof system, including drainage, insulation, and soil layers. Step 5. ADP geomembrane is installed over the bituminous waterproofing to act as a root penetration barrier, preventing plant roots from damaging the membrane. It also provides long-term protection against moisture, chemicals, and mechanical stress in green roof systems. Step 6. Welding of ADP membrane. Stay updated. Subscribe.